For the keema, we need 2 medium-sized onions chopped finely, 2 tomatoes chopped, 3 to 4 chilies. We need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half kg chicken minced meat, and a cup of coriander chopped. I'm using the Shan recipe and seasoning mix. Take half a cup of water and add the Shan seasoning mix to it. Mix it and keep it ready. Add the oil to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the onions and fry them till they are transparent. Once the onions turn transparent, add the ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 10 seconds. Add the minced meat and the Shan masala to it. Add 1 cup of water. Add the chopped tomatoes and the chilies. Cook it on low-medium flame till the meat is tender. As we see the oil separating, we will add the coriander and allow it to simmer for few minutes. I'm making the keema like a gravy, so I'm retaining some of the water in it. Allow it to simmer for few minutes. After allowing it to simmer for few minutes, I'm going to switch off the gas and serve my keema. My delicious keema is ready. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.